I have nothing personal against him. I've never had. For me, the issues are fairly straightforward. I think the only concern is I heard that he has an ambition to succeed me as governor in office. Well, it's not in my place to now determine or appoint or anoint any successor. But all I know is that in the process of determining my succession, and there must be fairness, there must be equity, there must be a sense of inclusion, because our goal is to keep Edo as one. And so for me, that's the only issue I understood may have been a problem. And like I said, it shouldn't stop us. The important thing now is that we finish strong, that we try and complete everything we promised Edo people that we would do.